Word 1, scratch. When ye scratch your knee on the deck, try not to shout like a landlubber.
Let's spell it.
Let's spell it S-T-R-A-T-C-H.
Yo ho, word 2.
Knee. A pirate never bends the knee unless he's peeking under the bunk for treasure.
Let's spell it.
K-N-E-I. Nice word.
3, right.
Right. Write your name in the captain's log, or you'll be walking the plank.
Let's spell it.
W-R-I-T, that's the way.
Word 4, itch.
Or this itchy old sweater makes me wanna scratch like a barnacle-covered parrot.
Let's spell it.
I-T-C-H, feathers flying.
Word 5,
Wrong. Turning to port when the map says starboard, that's just plain wrong.
let's spell it.
W-R-O-N-G,
A whore.
stay the course.
6, stretch.
Stretch your legs, me hearties, we've been at sea for days.
Let's spell it.
S-T-R-A-T-C-H.
That's a good one. Word 7,
Knock, knock 3 times on the treasure chest to wake the sleeping kraken.
let's spell it.
K-N-O-C-K.
Boom, boom. Word 8, wreck.
Don't let the ship wreck on the rocks, or we'll be feeding the fishes.
Let's spell it.
W-R-E-C-K. Hold the helm steady.
Word patch.
Put a patch on your pants so the wind will whistle through them like a ghost.
Let's spell it.
P-A-T-C-H.
Well mended. Word 10, knife.
Sharpen your knife, but mind your fingers. It's sharper than a siren's wit.
Let's spell it.
K-N-I-F-E. Nice and careful.
Word 11, watch.
Watch the horizon, matey. Trouble brews like storm clouds over Skull.
Let's spell it.
W-A-T-C-A.
Good looking out.
Word 12, every pirate needs a parrot, a peg leg, and a plan.
Let's spell it.
E-V-E-R-Y.
That's a spirit.
Word 13, friend. A good friend won't steal your gold, at least not while ye be watching.
Let's spell it.
F-R-I-E-N-D.
Stick together.
Word 14, strange. Strange things happen near the Bermuda Triangle, like floating goats and invisible toast.
Let's spell it.
S-T-R-A-N-G.
Mysterious.
Words 15 through, I threw me hat in the wind, and a seagull made off with it.
Let's spell it.
T-H-R-E-W.
Catch a breeze.
Word 16, full the treasure chest be full to the brim with candied doubloons.
Let's spell it.
F-U-L-L-A, load it up. Word 17, I got me eye on that shiny gem. Don't even think about touching it.
Let's spell it.
G-O-T.
You got it.